Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss for class 12 chapter 2, that is Inverse Trigonometric Function, question number 10 from Miscellaneous exercise. See what it says: prove that cot inverse of under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x is equal to x by 2 when x belongs to 0 to pi by 4. There are one or two more very important points in this question. First of all, 1 plus sin x. I can write this 1 as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Right? And the sin x can also be written as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now if I look at this formula, can I write 1 plus sin x as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Likewise, if I am writing 1 minus sin x, now there is a point. I can write it as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square, or I can write it as sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. In both the cases, I am going to get the same result. Cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and same will be here. So now is the point, what should I write? Should I write this or should I write this in place of 1 minus sin x? Right? So to avoid this, what we do, let us see what we will do. In place of 1 minus sin x, I have two possibilities: cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square, or sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. I write here cot inverse under root 1 plus sin x को I have to replace with, I am replacing it with cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square and its under root. Next term, without taking into consideration whether I write this or this, I can take any one. I am taking, for the time being, say cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square under root. And in the denominator also, I will do the same replacements. I will write 1 plus sin x by 2 as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. And here I will write, in between is the negative sign, इसको मैंने लिखा cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square under root. Now see, whenever I am writing under root x square under root, this can be plus x or minus x depending upon this quantity, that is x, it is positive or negative. If I am having, see what I am saying is minus 5 whole square under root, my answer will be minus 5. If it is 5 square under root, my answer is going to be 5. So whether my end result of square root is positive or negative, that depends upon the quantity which is inside the square. See, ठीक है? तो इस concept को mind में रखते हुए, I can write x square का under root as mod x. Now we know mod x can become x or become minus x depending upon whether this x is positive or negative. So that concept I am going to use here. See how I am going to use it. First part is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 square and under root. Here if I see, question में दे रखा है x belongs to 0 से pi by 4. If x is going from 0 to pi by 4, x by 2 will go from 0 to pi by 8. It means x by 2 is in the first quadrant. It means cos x by 2, sin x by 2 both are positive. It means जिस quantity का square कर रहे हो वो positive है. अगर वो positive है तो फिर अगर मैं उसका square root लूंगी तो मेरा answer positive ही बनने वाला है, और कोई possibility है ही नहीं मेरे पास. So without any doubt, first जो मेरा expression है, I will write it as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. But for second, now see carefully, I have to see whether cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2 or cos x by 2 is less than sin x by 2. Depending upon that, मेरा जो mod x है, that will be plus x or minus x. So for the time being, I am writing it as mod of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. and in the denominator also cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, negative mod of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now I have seen that x by 2 is lying between 0 to pi by 8. So now I have to check when x by 2 is from 0 to pi by 8, cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2 or less than sin x by 2. Let us draw the graph. Cos x का ग्राफ if I plot से 0 से pi by 2 में इस तरह से ग्राफ जाएगा और sin के लिए ग्राफ कैसे जाएगा, ऐसे जाएगा. We know the both graph they intersect at x is equal to pi by 4. So what I can see from the graph here is from 0 to pi by 4 cos x is taking a bigger value as compared to sin x. इसका मतलब जब x 0 से pi by 8 में जा रहा है तो cos x by 2 is here, cos x by 2 is greater than sin x by 2. It means the quantity which is lying inside the mod is positive. If mod x, what do we say about mod x? We say mod x becomes x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus of x if x is less than 0. So my x in this case is positive क्योंकि 0 से pi by 8 में हमने देखा cos x by 2 बड़ा है as compared to sin x by 2. So when I remove this mod, I will go for this definition. If I'll go for this definition, see what I am going to get. I am going to get cot inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 and in the denominator cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. ये plus x से खुलना है, बाहर minus पड़ा है. So this will become minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now in the numerator this term cancels and the denominator this cancels. So this is 2 cos x by 2 and denominator is 2 sin x by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So ultimately जो मुझे मिलेगा that will be cot inverse of cot x by 2. x by 2 लाई कर रहा है 0 से pi by 8 में. It means my angle x by 2 is in the principal value branch for cot. So my answer in this case is x by 2 and this is what I need to prove. Thank you.